Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to a special edition of my videos today. And I'm coming to you to let you know that we have our spring test drive coming up, and what that is, you can sample trade ideas for 5 full days from May 6th and through May the 10th for just $8.99. You get all the premium features, including the only true artificial intelligence for traders and investors. And what I'm going to do is show you some of the stuff that you get with that. And what you're going to do is you're going to get unlimited access to Holly, which is our AI engine. And Holly, if we click on here, you can see we have 3 different Hollys. We have Holly Grail, we have Holly 2.0, and Holly Neo. Holly Grail was the original. They all have different strategies. Sometimes they do have the same strategies in them, but they may have different filters, so they may respond a little bit differently. And at the end of each day, Holly goes in and she works millions of calculations and sample trades and back tests and modifies her strategies and sees which ones she thinks are statistically viable for the next day, and that's what goes into it. And then that is, of course, what I report on every day on how Holly is doing. So that is your Holly. You have risk off, which is where you obey with Holly what she does. You have risk on, which is if you would hold that stock till the end of the day. And so it's just a very, very interesting thing. Now, in addition to that, if you join in this test drive, you're going to be eligible to win a full year of premium, including the Brokerage Plus license. That's got a value of $3,368. Now, second prize is just a full year of Trade Ideas Premium, and the third prize is a month of TI Premium. So lots of good things where you can win in addition to learning, taking advantage of this software. Next thing you're going to have access to our webinars and our trading room for the entire week at no extra charge. So the webinars are great because they go over the software, they do a market analysis, and you learn a whole lot about this. A lot of people get this software, and at first it's very overwhelming because you're really not sure what all it does and how to use it. But trust me, stick with it, and you're going to find out it's going to be one of your best friends. Now, also, you're going to get unlimited access to scanners, the OddsMaker, and backtester. On any strategy you have, you can actually backtest it to see how it's going to perform. So it's very, very amazing. And also, there's a lot of pre-made channels. For example, here, if we click one, you can see that we have our pre-market. So I'll go ahead and do that. And there is your pre-market screen. As you can see here, we have our charting the way we do with the others, our day, and you can adjust the time frame on these to anything that you would want to, from 1 minute up to monthly. This one here, you have up gappers, you have down gappers. You can go in here, you can configure these to show whatever you want. As I say, there are a lot of pre-made channels, so you're able to take these and you can save them over. You can save it to the cloud, okay? And when you do that, you can actually create your own, and you can save it as your default, or you can save it as a layout. You can see here, these are different layouts I have for some of the different computers that I work on. And so you can do all kind of things. We also have channels for regional banks, Alpha Predator, blockchain and cryptocurrencies, short squeeze, social media, surge, swing ideas, low float. We have the sector ETFs. We have trade the gap. We have price up movement, price down movement. We have earnings, we have trending, we have 420 in play, we have defense, we have China, we have biotechs, fundamentals, penny movers, tech titans, active trading, metals, energy, ETF focused, infrastructure, options, volume. We have channel 4, which has a lot of the strategies and windows that people with trade ideas have come up. We have an after hours channel. We have a welcome screen. We have Barry's windows. Barry is the one who runs our live trading room, which here you have access to that as well. And so, just a tremendous amount of variety that you can get to. Now, I'm going to go back to the work videos, which is the one that we started with. So let me bring that back in for the rest of this. You get unlimited access to auto trading with Brokerage Plus. Now, for that, you do need to have an account with Interactive Brokers for right now, but pretty soon they're going to work out deals with other, like TD Ameritrade and E-Trade possibly. I'm not sure which ones, but we're going to try to bring other brokers into this. But for right now, you have to use Interactive Brokers, and you can see here if you go to New and you bring up your Holly AI window, and you can see here all the different strategies that are on for today, and you can turn those on or off, okay? And you can actually set your own parameters, and you can let the computer trade in and out for you if you so desire. So we are now to that level of trading. And just as a quick plug, if you would want to go immediately and sign up for that, here is the link to get to it. This is going to be in the bottom in the videos as well for you. So and I'll show that again. So you can go ahead and sign up right now if you want for that $8.99. And I'll point out this is a one-time purchase, and it will not start a subscription for you. If you decide to continue, you're going to have to make that decision. We don't just automatically bill you. And as I said, you do get free access to the trading room, and actually, even if you don't stay subscribed, you can stay a member of that trading room at no cost. It's a very nice feature. We have a lot of people that are saying a lot of good things about Trade Ideas. Trade Ideas is really an important tool to use every day for traders. High speed, diverse customization, a lot of strategies, cheap price. Many excellent traders use it. That's Louis Chan Nakai. So, good testimonial there. Another testimonial is I love Trade Ideas. I signed up 3 years ago, and so glad I did with all the innovations they are coming out with. 3 Hollies, Brokerage Plus, and all the scanners. Totally worth the annual subscription. That was Douglas H. So once again, without any further ado, go right now to this link right here. Sign up for your test drive, and we'll see you soon. God bless.